Hello everybody, this is a modeling lesson. Question is, why have a lot of picture? Why have a lot of photo shoot? The answer is, because I like that and I'm too short to walk in the runway fashion show. Lesson number 1. Anything that you can be modeling. Example is this class. Just read it. It's not modeling, my dear. Making fashion. Or look at that watch. It's not modeling. Make it fashion. Just that. Lesson number 2. For my photo shoot, important is smiles. You must practice every day and you can go to the next levels. Step is find good lighting or window or wherever you set. Don't have that window behind you. And step number 2 is turning into the lens and make sure you don't move your mouth. And step number 3, just pose. 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 Work it.